Higeno ajatti haga ojagun. Sangul tisligen chinaiga. Usti ajatti haga.
Nga. Ang sanjut kuda.
Akon suasa. Di guawangwa. Chiga selo di hitlangangwa.
I always talked Haida to Mom and Dad and everybody else.
I didn't speak it, but I understood it perfectly because my parents, my grandparents spoke it.
As the old people in Kasaan, you had to talk Haida to them.
I can understand Haida, but I can't speak it. And of course my children don't know anything in the Haida language, I think, at all.
We had to talk English because when we were going to school, we had to speak English. They were trying to wean us away from our Indian culture.
This teacher came out and she didn't allow anyone to say one word of Haida on the school ground. I made a mistake one day and I said something, bango. So.
This is a poem that I wrote at one of the first Haida workshops that was held at Sheldon Jackson College in June of 1972. It seemed very ironic to me because the school forbade us to talk in our languages, but I can see the disadvantage of it if everybody spoke in their language, and their intentions were good. But I'm thankful that I never forgot the Haida language, and I'm still writing it after 34 years. But this is the way it goes, the English version. As I sat outside today, I thought about many things. I thought of the beautiful world around me, the beautiful world that God created. This is what I was thinking of as I sat outside today. And this is the Haida version. Akia u ayat awang. Gin Juan hadu gut gungung. Klidi hadu gin ketskat lasi. Kli sana it akdas gin la tlasayan. Hidedu gut gungung. Ayat atna akia awas tlu.
I understand it all. I could say some, but there's some words I couldn't think right off the bat. Sun, dung, hidung, deet lagung. How are you this morning? Thank you.
Halibut is huck, or there's another name for it. You can call a halibut whatever you want to call it, good or bad, but you must never do it to a salmon. It's taboo in the Haida culture.
Cheen. It all depends on what kind of cheen, but it's just fish.
King salmon is tawan. Saka is hagan. Coho is tai.
Kusansen dan tagang wa ilaa.
Hero is gan. Skawan is gan sabli. Sitao, skusid. Hamkan. Di la awiyagan.
One word, it means sometimes 2 or 3 different things. Like Q. Q is clam, and Q is a sidewalk or a trail. You say it the same way, but that's what it means. Tan is bear.
And water is
Hans Deek is the give me a drink of water.
older sister is Gwe. In fact, Caroline and her sisters only can remember her as Gwe, older sister, because that's what their mother called our mother. So it was not really there's no word for cousin, it's like a sister or a brother.
Hawit, come here. Come on. The guy wanted a Haida name, so I gave him a Haida name, and I called him Gushawash until he found out what it meant. To talking machine, he never stopped talking. He was so proud of his Haida name. I gave him a Haida name.
Yaphet. Lal Yaphet.
That's high class.
High class, it also means respect. Lal Yaphet. He thinks highly of you, or she thinks highly of him, or whatever.
Dang di khuyadang. I love you.
Haga, he was a medicine man. He felt things and saw things and predicted things. He was a special person who had these powers to foresee events.
O Salana di Kola, Gen golden aus kringen, Gen oadluwan, Slang eludan klasayam, Geil kringen, Yiling ayut gudangen, Dan da gui gai, Lengwai unkudang as kringen. Wagen di hazandai, Salana dangaus kajugan, Sahudang hidang, Sahudang hidang, Wagen di hazandai, Salana dangahus kajugan, Sahudang hidang, Sahudang hidang. Oh, Salana.
Lagan, I enjoyed it.